Hello guys, welcome back to NFTins, but for today's video, here going to show you or discuss with you Ariston boiler error 304. How do you fix it? So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're having issues with your Ariston boiler here, there are going to be a few things that you need to know. So first, what does the error 304 actually indicates? So in this case, the error 304 actually indicates there's some issue with the domestic hot water temperature sensor. So in this case, if you're not aware yet, this sensor is responsible for measuring the temperature of hot water flowing through the taps and shower. Now, if you are having problems with it, the first thing that you want to do is you want to basically check for any visible damage or wear on the actual sensor itself. So also ensure the sensor is in good condition and properly installed. Now, speaking of properly installed, just make sure that's actually placed in the correct position, so to detect water pressures accurately. So if it's not installed properly, then most likely that's the issue here. Now, you might want to also examine the wirings between the sensor and the actual central processing unit. So in this case, you want to look for any loose connection, corroded, or any damaged wires or connections. And if there's something loose here, just make sure they're properly plugged in. Then also you might want to clear any blockages or buildup in your hot water, especially if you've been using them. So in this case, in your hot water system may be affecting the sensor readings here, especially if there are some blockages. And if none of those work, you could try clearing or resetting your boiler. So in this case, you might want to basically refer to your manual and how to exactly, in this case, reset it. So each model actually has a different way of resetting them. And if none of those actually work before, it's best to contact a professional to get this fixed. So if you're going to if you're not sure how to exactly fix this, it's best to contact a professional or a technician that can actually help you with this problem. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.